So we've been rehearsing during the week, and one of our lovely actresses is not here today. So Bongi has literally got the script 5 minutes ago, and we haven't even managed to get through the whole rehearsal, so she's basically going to be tagging along. So, yay! She's playing the character of Marang, who's a bit of a princess. So please, she's looking like she's clueless and doesn't know what she's doing, that's why. I'm sure she'll be fabulous, but just follow the others. It's not complicated. Okay. Thank you, everybody. So, yeah, we perhaps we don't have enough. On the side. Beautiful face.
I'm a boy, I'm not supposed to have such a pretty face. Hello, this is an extract from Chased by the Rain by Letty Tsatsi. It is set in Johannesburg in the future where it hasn't rained in 100 years. Gogo is the only one who remembers. Just think for a minute. Just remembers colors, rain, flowers, basically everything we know in this present moment in time. Our 3 grandchildren played by us want to write down her stories for the future generations, but only the rain can keep her alive to do so. Rotando is playing our lovely Gogo. Kitso is being played by Tsepang. I'm playing Tabo, and now, of course, you know, Bongi is playing Mara.
You know, Gogo, we have to write all your stories down for our children to read one day.
Children! Oh boy, you are barely out of your diapers and you think you're ready to be changing them.
Note, one day.
Should I serve you some humble pie, Tabo?
Oh, you like some humble juice.
Okay, figure of speech, I get it.
Very clear that you will not be doing the writing. Maybe we'll serve the snacks.
Snacks like humble pie and humble juice. How humble.
And humble quietness. So, Gogo, what do you say?
I really like that, Kitso, but I don't have to learn. I don't have to leave. I'll be gone soon.
Gogo, don't talk like that. You have already outlived a lot of people.
They'll call you a diode for nothing.
There are not signs of rain yet. That means I'll be gone soon.
We have been trying.
I know.
Sometimes we wait for hours for something to happen, and some days the fire dies before our eyes, but we will keep on trying.
It will rain, Gogo, and we will write a story with all. We will write a book with all the stories you've told us. Okay, fine. They will be doing the writing, while I serve some humble massage. How does you like that, Gogo?
Yana bulaye, yana bulaye, yana bulaye, aine. 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 Yana bulaye.
I've never seen a mountain in this city.
I'm sorry, Kitso, but I'm not good with hard labor. I'll have to pass on digging. Aren't you going to say something?
Speak, brother, speak.
You guys are missing the clue.
What do you mean?
Everything is possible when you have faith.
What are you doing?
Getting some faith in?
No, silly. All you have to do is believe that what you're asking for is what you'll get.
Just like that.
Yep.
I believe. 5 colors.
Black, white, brown, dark colors,
rainbow.
What is a rainbow?
Gogo once told me that after it rains, a rainbow will appear in the distance. It has 7 colors. They are beautiful.
Really? It would be nice to see the other colors.
Yeah, I wonder what they look like.
It's a very good question, eh?
What I know is that I'm tired of this black, white, brown.
And everything else is so rusted. Just don't lean back on the chair, please. It could use some color.
I'll be the queen of the color.
That will be after Gogo, ne? For now, you're just the princess.
Princess Maran, the princess of colors. Tell me more about the colors, Tabo.
You know I don't know all of them.
But you say they are beautiful.
We actually did. Have you ever seen color without us?
Okay, wait. Well, what I meant was that Gogo told me that they were beautiful.
Look at me. He is telling the truth.
Okay, now that we all believe, let's do this.
Pot so big and pot so round, show us what the future holds. Rain, rain is all we are about, to make our Gogo strong and bold. For a storyteller she is crowned, please don't make her leave this ground. Pot so big and pot so round, let a drizzle make a sound. And we wait.
When you talk like that, it means you don't believe.
Yana bulaye, yana bulaye, yana bulaye, aye. Yana bulaye, yana bulaye, yana.
What if it's already raining? We don't know how it rained. We don't know rain. We wouldn't know when it hit us.
We just have to keep on trying. Yes, we just have to keep on trying. Faith is believing without result.
Where is Sabo? Sabo?
Tabo, where are you?
If we do not try hard enough, Gogo will pass away and we will never write her stories down. Then the generations after us will never know there were once trees, mountains, different colors, and many things Gogo shared with us. We have to write this book, guys. Maybe not for us, but for those who come after us. And I really want to see the colors Gogo spoke about.
I'm in. We have to protect our history. And I want to smell the petrichor.
When the rain is the ground, there is a beautiful fragrance that fills the air. Petrichor, that's what it's called.
What? Petrichor. It sounds so cool. Kitso, let's do this, my man. Let's do this.
Yes, please. Let's do this.
Finally, they see the light, they have the fire, let's do this.
Ready? Pot so big and pot so round, show us what the future holds. Rain, rain is all we are about, to make our Gogo strong and bold. For a storyteller she is crowned, please don't make her leave this crowd. Pot so big and pot so round, let a drizzle make a sound.
What is happening?
They stared into the pot. Lightning strikes, a roar of thunder.
What is happening?
Kitso, please hold my hand.
The walls are going in.
Help somebody.
Petrichor, the fragrance of rain on dry ground.
Yana bulaye, yana bulaye.
Is it raining?
Bulaye,
raining.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, spirits. Thank you.
Yana bulaye, I knew I could trust you, Gogo said. very pleased with her 3 funds. The rain revived her and restored her energy, and barely stopping for a breath. She started telling them stories, while the friends took turns typing furiously.
Capturing our history for those who come after us.
Capturing our history for those who come after us. They said, Yana Bulaye, Yana Bulaye, Yana Bulaye.